G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into a little bit of basic coffee chemistry. Alright guys, yes, thanks again for joining in. As stated, we're going to go through some basic coffee chemistry. I'm going to go through a refractometer, why I need to use it, why it's helpful, and how this is going to shed some light into strength of coffee. So we're going to line up some espressos, and then I'm going to take you through how we use the refractometer to assess the strength level of espresso. This is our tool. This is called a refractometer. This is going to give us what's called the TDS level, or the total dissolved solids of whatever sample we put in it. In terms of coffee, this is going to give us an extraction percentage. So how well we've extracted every dissolvable compound from the ground coffee into our beverage. Now, in order to take the sample, we're going to have to brew an espresso. Then we're going to let it cool for a little bit, give it a stir, take our syringe and extract some of the espresso. We don't have to extract a specific amount, we just need to make sure that we cover the sample area for the refractometer. But before we put it in, we're going to have to put this little strainer on, and that's to get rid of any crema, which it would be considered a foreign body when taking the TDS reading. The percentage that we're looking for of TDS is going to be 10%. 11%, fine. 9%, fine. Anything outside of that, there could be a problem in the brewing process of the espresso. So now you're going to see us do the process, making the espresso, and then doing the sample. Well, that netted some interesting results. We started off with a 9.73, went to a 9.64. Now that's not going to be a discernible difference in taste. I can guarantee you on that. This one, however, we went up to a 10.35. Absolutely, a developed palate or any espresso lover would probably have tasted a difference in strength or maybe overall flavour being raised up a little bit in this espresso here. Before we finish up the video for today, look, this is really a tool that is a really good friend for a roaster. It's not really something you need at home if you're just the occasional coffee drinker, but really if you love coffee, if you geek out at home, go for it, you know. What it helps us do from a roaster's point of view is really nail our recipes, nail our flavors, and know where we want to go, where we have to go to achieve the flavors that we want to achieve with our blends. Well, I hope this video gave you an insight into what strength actually is in coffee, that TDS, that total dissolved solids. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.